we have this rational roots theorem, and you guys just wrote down all of those steps. So I have this problem here. Factor completely p of x equals 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 17x minus 30. Jocelyn, what's step number 1? Find, speak slower.
Find the factors of the first cube and last term.
Q is first, right? Is that what you guys wrote? Then last, which is your P, okay? So let's do that together. Put your finger on the first term of the polynomial. So our Q value is going to be 2. Let's use a highlighter. Put your finger on the last term. So this is going to be your, what letter? P. Okay, step 1, done. Step number 2, 1.
Divide each term.
Divide. All right. So basically what we need to do is get P write font size 6 next time by Q. So P, which is your last one, divided by Q, which is your first term. I just like to write first. So our P value is all the factors of 30. Factors of 30. And this is going to be factors of 2. Okay. Get ready for lots of fun. Class, what are all the numbers that multiply to be 30? Okay, 3 times what? 10, okay. 15 times 2. 5 times 6. 1 times 30. And what are all the factors of 2? Just 1 times 2, right? Okay. So basically what we're going to do is we're going to divide, and basically all of these are all of our combinations, combos. There are a lot of them. There are a lot of them. Okay, so we just found the factors of our last and our first. We divided them. Okay? And now what we're going to do is we're going to make a list of all the combinations. It's going to get crazy. Alright, pretend there is no 2 here, okay? So 1 divided by 1 is what number, class?
1.
Keep going. You just reading me all those numbers. 2, 3, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Okay. Now we're going to do that with, I'm crossing off, put my finger over the 1. Now you're going to do this one. 1 divided by 2. Are you following? Okay, what's the next one? Which is 1. Keep them fractions, right? 3 over 2. Keep going. Yep. 6 over 2 is?
3.
That's a 5. And last one? 30 over 2 is 15. Okay. Okay, then it said to cross off all of the what? cross off repeats. Okay, which numbers are repeating?
1.
Okay, so I'm not going to test the same number twice. So that's why I'm crossing that off. Any others?
3.
3,
5.
5,
15.
15. Okay, let's count together. Out loud. Ready, set, go.
1, 2, 3, 4.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And there's 2 right here, right? So all of them are going to be positive. All of them are going to be negative. We have 12 positives, 12 negatives. We have 24 numbers to check. How do we check if it's a factor? We do division. We have to do 24 mini synthetic division problems. Are your minds there yet? Okay, number 4. What does it tell us to do? Test. Okay, let me give you some of my hints over doing this many times. Okay. Do you guys want to do synthetic division with fractions? No. So I would try not to test those. Those might come up later. Which one do you think is the easiest one to test? 1 and -1. Are you guys okay with that? Do you see why that might be the easiest one? Okay, let's test 1. Now really, if I'm testing 1, then I'm just going to write my coefficients. 2, 3, -17, -30. Bring it down. 2, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply. You can kind of see the writing on the wall. Class, is that equal to 0? Okay. So no, remainder is not equal to 0. What does this mean? Not a factor. What does that mean? Positive 1 didn't work. Okay, now we got to test what? Oh my goodness. If I put in -1, put it back in the left, right? Bring it down. 2, multiply, add, multiply, add, multiply, add. Class, is that a remainder? No. So the one that we tested, that doesn't work. Okay, what do you guys want to test next?
2.
Someone says 2. Let's do it. So I'm going to use my same coefficients, 2, 3, -17, -30. Bring it down. What goes here? 2 here. 4 here. 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 Oh my goodness. So, no. Anybody else want to pick another number? -2. Let's try -2. I think you hit. I think this might be a good one. What goes here? Here. 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 Yes. 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 What does this mean? -2 is a factor. Okay, watch that. So let's bring all these down. Class, how do I write that as a binomial? Huh? X plus 2, okay? What does this mean? 2x squared minus x minus 15. Okay, in the green, A times C. B value. Two numbers that multiply to be negative 30 but add to be negative 1. Which one's negative? Right? That's negative 30. And those add to be negative 1. Yes? First term always goes in the top left. Last term always goes in the bottom right. Class common factor. Common factor. Common factor. Common factor. 2x plus 5, x minus 3. Okay, do you guys want to know a faster way? I'm not going to tell you. Because if you understood yesterday's lesson, there might be a faster way. But if not, you'll just have to use the rational roots theorem.